Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12 and 6 2022, and now I can show you how to perform first setup on this device. Cool. Firstly, you need to select the language you will use. In my case, it will English. Get started. Now choose your region. In my case, it will be Australia. Then click Next. Choose I have carefully read and agree to the above terms. Then click Next. And now you need to connect to any Wi-Fi network with internet access. So confirm privacy policy of cellular keyboard, click Agree, and just enter Wi-Fi password. Click Connect, then click Next, Next. Now, if you want, you can set up face recognition or just set screen pattern or screen lock password. I will use lock screen PIN, or I can use pattern. I want to use pattern lock, okay. Now just set pattern lock and confirm it and click Done. Wait a while, click Skip if you don't want to set up face recognition, and then click Next. Now HUAWEI device asked to enter HUAWEI ID. I will log in into HUAWEI after setup process. So now I just want to click Don't have HUAWEI ID and maybe later. Leave. Cool. Now you can choose Enable HUAWEI Books Service to use HUAWEI Books Service. Then click Agree, HMC Core, Add ID statistic. You can disable it. You can disable personalized ads. And you can enable or disable auto update our Wi-Fi. I will enable it. Click Next. Here you can see enhanced services. You can enable all services by clicking on this button, or you can set up every services in manual mode. I want to set up. I want to enable all services by clicking on one button. Then, if you want, you can join to user experience improvement program. I don't want to join it. You can share analytics later. Location services. I want to use location services, so I click enable it. Petal search. This is a search engine for HUAWEI devices to search applications because HUAWEI don't have Play Store, Google Play Store. So you have only HUAWEI Store, HUAWEI App Gallery, or Petal Search. Petal Search searching the apps in App Gallery and in other APK markets. So just click Accept and set up as new device. You can try gestures, just click on it and just repeat after program all gestures. This was back gesture, this just to go to home screen, and all up just. Click Finish, and cool. As you can see, first setup was successfully performed on this MatePad device, and that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.